years ago, originally on Windows 95 embedded. You know, again, in order to pursue stability, we want Windows stripped down to its bare components. We don't want any bloatware. We don't want anything that's unnecessary in there. So we were using embedded. When Windows 10 came around and we decided we really needed to upgrade and get away from Windows 95, obviously they didn't have an embedded version anymore. And we were told that IoT was essentially the next evolution of that. So that's how we ended up with Windows 10 IoT. Our philosophy is not to fix something that isn't broken. So we often stick to the same software for as long as we can, because if it works, we know it's stable. Our products are generally running, for the most part, 24/7, unattended. I mean, at least unattended by anyone with any sort of expertise. So these machines have to run, and they have to run on their own. So it's very important to us to be stable. We do remote maintenance on machines, yes, and we do software updates remotely. The ability to control Windows Update was a big decision in it as well. Obviously, we can't have Windows Update popping up in the middle of it. If anything, that was probably our main issue with Windows, was Windows Update, taming that. And beyond that, I mean, I guess the Windows 10 LTSC version has the 10-year support guarantee as well.
Stable platform that you could lock down, obviously, for the gaming environment that you guys have, and then controlling the updates. Those are obviously huge factors for a gaming machine. Locking it down, controlling, and then having a long life cycle that you can run forever.
You guys have provided excellent support over the years we've worked with you. Early on, we were having issues, for example, with the Intel platform. Our software was having issues with, as it turns out, I think it was a driver issue, but our machines could not run 24/7 on the Intel platform. They were eventually running into a problem. So we worked with Arrow. We came up with another AMD solution. But in addition to that, which I was very impressed with, they actually connected us with Intel, and we're kind of the middleman between us and Intel to try to solve our problem. And I greatly appreciated that effort that was put in to help us. Your expertise, your ability to help us find solutions, and connect us to the right people to get the answers we want is just been very helpful. And we greatly appreciate it.